So the journey started from the station Siliguri. The first day was about a long journey by road. We were so excited and in the end we were so tired. Now let's this begin with the train journey. By spending hours in train, I've seen different views like this one, where you can see the train is totally curved and it was awesome.
ওটা ধর ফালতু না বকে ওটা ধর আগে
এটা ভিউ পয়েন্ট এটা ও আচ্ছা এখান থেকে পুরোটা দেখা যায় না ঠিক আছে এটা একটা ভিউ পয়েন্ট
এবার লাইটটা নেভা
হ্যাঁ এই তো এখানে পুরোটা দেখা যাচ্ছে The next day I woke up early because I don't want to miss the sunrise. Window was totally frozen as the temperature gone down to 3 to 4 degrees Celsius at night. I came out from the room for enjoying the view of the rising sun. In order to do so, I had to walk a little to the top hill. The most interesting part of the trip was seeing a beautiful cherry blossom and at the same time having a defective charger for my camera. Though I managed to capture most of the things here, so let's see. ব্লগ আজ থেকে শুরু হচ্ছে আমরা ঠিক হোমস্টে থেকে রওনা দিয়েছিলাম 10টার সময় 10টার আগে এখানে পার করার কথা ছিল কিন্তু এখানে রোডে কনস্ট্রাকশন ওয়ার্কের জন্য ঠিক রাস্তাটা বন্ধ করে দেওয়া হয়েছে আমরা যাচ্ছিলাম রঙ্গলি মলের উদ্দেশ্যে কিন্তু এখন সেটা হবে না তো দেখা যাক কোথায় যাই এরপর The plan was to travel to Zuluk and Silk Route afterwards. So we prepared ourselves for the journey. 10th November, the driver said the road will be closed from 10 a.m. for construction works, but nobody cared at that time. We reached that affected area just 2 minutes late, and yes, the roads were closed. We decided to go down to the market buy food, and that was a pretty good decision. It took me nearly 4 hours to reach.
আমাকে একটু ধরো না প্লিজ
ধরছে তুই চ এই তো বড় ফেলেগা
পাচ্ছি না
না না না এই ভয় পেয়ে ये फटाफट आइए पकड़ कर रहा है जल्दी चलो ও আস্তে
থ্যাংক ইউ এটা কত রিস্ক নিয়ে করছে
হ্যাঁ
থ্যাংক ইউ বস
অবশ্যই।
কৃষ্ণ ওই অর্জুনকে মহাভারতের ইয়ে করিয়েছিল না বাড়ি গীতার শ্লোক দিয়ে
তো এখনো মোটামুটি অনেকটাই রাস্তা, শেষ অব্দি ঠিক হলো আমরা ট্রেক করেই যাবো। মোটামুটি তারা বললো কত 5 কিলোমিটার হয়তো রাস্তা হবে, কষ্ট অতটা হচ্ছে না। আর এখানে ঠান্ডাই আছে মোটামুটি, আর চারিদিকে এই সব আওয়াজ শোনা যাচ্ছে। যা যা
ভালো কত এটা।
After a long walking with my soul legs, I found this river just under the bridge from Rangoli Market in Sikkim. And obviously we decided to go there with any more thinking. It took me nearly 1 hour straight to take all these shots and enjoying the cold water also. I found so many rocks, but this one was so interesting to me as it resembles a big rock. You can say it's a miniature version of a bigger rock. And at the end of the day, it's all worth it. I spent time here and there and collected some rocks. The water of the river was super chilled and it has a power to heal any kind of leg pain. We finished our lunch there and all the things, but it was already 4 p.m. and one more thing, our all plans were cancelled and we haven't seen any of our destination yet.
চলো ছোট পাথর তোলো। দাও কাজ দাও। ক্যামেরা হ্যাঁ
After spending 2 days like that, we finally visited some places according to our plan. After that night, I woke up early, like at 4 a.m. and when I opened the door, a dog was sleeping like a carpet just one step away. Wow. Temperature was 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. Hi. Again, we packed our baggages early and went out for the next day. We visited Zuluk, Silk Road, Thambi View Point, Baba Mandir, Nathula Pass and at last Changu Lake. Changing altitude was making the sunrise more clear. Weather was chilled and we were going towards our first location named Thambi View Point. Snowfall was just starting and fortunately we saw some amount of snow. We stayed a little there and get some good shots, starting with a clear view of Kanchenjunga. For that day we traveled a lot, but that's another portion of the story. And this is Gaurav.